Hi guys, so we're here right now in a big city. Hindi ko alam kung asan ako. And it's very big. Lahat ng buildings dito are very big. And I'm here trying to find an apartment because I downloaded a furniture mod and I want to try it out. But hindi ko alam kung nasan yung apartment. So we're gonna go find one and we're gonna drive. Oh my gosh. Ito ba yun? Parang apartment siya. Pero apakaliit naman. Wala bang sakto lang? Pero paano tayo papasok? Sorry. Basahin natin. Parking. There we go. Okay, first video. There we go. Ilang years na ako hindi nag-Minecraft. I think I'm stuck. Pwede bang umalis ka muna? Can we... Ay, sorry. Naman nandito eh. Okay, park. There we go. And then, pasok us. Ay, ano yan? Hamster. Okay, there we go. Ooh, perfect size. Okay, perfect. So right now, mag-creative tayo para ma-design natin to. Okay. Alright, so creative na tayo right now but it's so madilim. So like, let's search for... Ooh, single street light. Wow, street light. Diyan muna. Okay, ganyan muna. But, makikita tayo ng mga people outside. So we're gonna get people outside. Wala naman tao dyan. No. Lakihan nga natin yung button sa pakaliit. Okay, ito na lang. Ganyan na lang. What if, dalawang room? Malaki naman yung space. Oh my gosh. Alright. Okay. Then way up. Infinite. Ay wow. Okay, never mind. We're just gonna do this na. I forgot that. Okay, here we go. 8 minutes. Oh, perfect. Kita na natin lahat. Great. Ano to? Let's use that sa for kitchen. Ay! Ito mabingi. Ayan, perfect. It's for the kitchen. Tapos, there we go. Ay! Pwede ba? We're gonna put the shelf sa kitchen, but we're gonna put one block up kasi para hindi malayo. There we go. Ay, get out there, girl. Oops. Sorry, not my fault. Okay. Wala bang range hood? Range hood? Cabinet. Kakanta na sana. Dance floor. Dishwasher? Perfect. Modernization. Yan. Perfect, diba? Oh my gosh guys, nandidilim na paningin ko. Asan ba yung lights? Light. Oh, may electric fan. Lagyan natin sa sala. TV stand, perfect. Ito pala, TV. There we go. Ano yan? Giant TV. Remember guys, mas mabuti pag malaki. Oops. sobra din pala siya ka-giant. Wall mounted. So parang saan yung stand? Hindi ko pala malalagay. Parang wag na lang makahati yung mga tao dyan Next to the TV. Ganyan na lang. It's may space dito and it's bothering me. Ano? Ganyan na lang. There we go. Pizza ba tayo? Ay, okay. Ganyan lang pala. God. Oh, yan. See, hindi na wall mounted yung TV natin, diba? Lagyan natin ng my little soda pop. May ilaw ka ba? Hindi wag. Ayaw mo, hindi wag. Remote! Turn na natin yung TV. Perfect. Paano kaya natin gagamitin yun? Ayaw naman yung ilaw. Anyways. Ano pa nandito? Shaggy rug. Perfect. Hindi kasi ako hindi kasi ako trained. Ayaw. Pangit tuloy tignan. Hindi wag. Solar panel. Ano ba to dishwasher? Tingnan na natin. Ano ba yun?